welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here. Today I'm doing a layout for Mix It Up Monday where we combine mixed media with our scrapbook pages. And this week, or this month, sorry, we are using this sketch by Kay's mum, and it's a really cool sketch. So there's mixed media in the back here all the way sort of around the circles, one big circle and three smaller circles. So I'm just going to get into it. I've got my photos sorted, a heap of embellishments here. Also going to be pulling in a lot of the These Days collection by Cocoa Vanilla, and we'll see what I can come up with. So I'm just going to get into it. there is my finished page. I included the circle elements that Jennifer had in her sketch, although I mostly covered them up, so that was unfortunate, but I did include them. So I have the large circle, which was the doily, which you can just see the edge of, not a great deal of it showing. And then the 3 circles down here, I used 3 different doilies. Again, I covered most of them up. You can still see this one poking out a little bit there. And then the mixed media that she has in like a watercolor, I have my stencil and paste to represent that. And again, I've covered most of it up. I didn't pre-plan this at all. I just sat down to film, and what flowed just came out. There was no pre-planning what embellishments I was going to use and where I was going to put them. I just went through the pile of what I had here on my desk, and when it came to me, it came to me, and that's what I ended up with. So that is my Mix It Up Monday layout for January. There'll be a playlist down below for everyone else who's playing along, so make sure you go and check out what they have done. If you've liked this video, please hit the like, thumbs up, so I know that you've enjoyed it. And if you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing so that you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching. Have a scrap happy day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.